Hi, let's do another review. Not review, it's not really a review, but a small tutorial about a new tool. Uh, this tool is named Everyday. It's made by Joan Boixados from Barcelona. Um, it's a track app, so it will track your goals or your to-do lists, and it has a simple name, every day, but you have to do it every day. And it's really simple. It's available in iPhone, Android, and has also extension for Google Chrome or Firefox. It comes with three types actually. It comes with the free version. That the only downside is up to 3 habits, but it's pretty normal, of course, because this is a product and you have to make money. And the premium, it's actually pretty cheap. It's 2.5, and you have all the features per month. 2.5 per month, I mean. And you can then have forever for $99. So it's actually a pretty good deal. So let's see how it works. So this is my everyday. I just do it. The goals, the habits are not the real ones, but so you can change here. First, you can put this as much when you want, and let's here, instead of read the book, let's not read the book, but learn a new language. New language and advanced options. Basically, it's how you how if you want to make it already in one day that you're not going to do it, for example, you can choose it right away here, edit. If you want to change the color, you press here, and these are the colors available. So orange, okay, and the more you do, the more darker it goes. So let's go to the best. Okay, generate, and I've pressed one, each one, another one, another one, and as you can see, it goes darker and darker. If you skip, you press here, and it's one skip. It shows a pop-up about the skipping. Let's see if it does that. No, it doesn't do anymore, but basically it's informing that skip, it doesn't kind of break the chain. You are just skipping because it can be that you are sick or you really cannot do it. It just says that you should not skip like this 2 times. But it actually, well, if you like to code or if you use GitHub at least, it's the same type of tracking, but it's actually pretty effective and really nice to see. So especially if you add different colors, let's go here, it starts to be actually really pretty, and you really don't want to break the chain the more you do. It's pretty simple, in a way, a good simple, not a bad simple. It's really nice, really effective. Sometimes the track habits are really too complicated, and Yuan here makes just enough to make you track your habits and help you, like he says, every day. Yes, so I hope you like it. This was my small tutorial about everyday. If you like these tutorials, and I'm also do more in-depth tutorials about Notion, Webflow, and cards, please you can subscribe here or join my newsletter where they are published. Bye.